In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can buy Bitcoin with Zelle. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, if you weren't already aware, it is possible to buy Bitcoin with Zelle, however, you can't buy it directly on the Zelle app. So in order for this to be possible, we're going to use a third-party service called Paxful. Now, Paxful actually allows you to buy and sell, and it's a peer-to-peer platform, meaning if you were to buy Bitcoin off here, you're buying it from someone else, rather than buying it from an exchange. So all you have to do is first head over to the Paxful website, and we can then choose to buy crypto. From there, we want to make sure buy is selected at the top, and we can then choose Bitcoin as the crypto which we're trying to buy. From there, we can choose a payment method, and since we're trying to pay with Zelle, we're going to select this, and we can then type in Zelle. From there, we can see Zelle Pay, and we're going to select that as our payment option. We can then choose how much we want to spend, and we can also choose the currency. So let's just say I wanted to spend $10 on Bitcoin. I can go ahead and click Find Offers, and it will then bring open this page where we can see all of the Bitcoin offers, and we can even sort it. So if we wanted to find the fastest trader, we could go ahead and click Average Trade Speed, Fastest to Slowest, and from there, that will show the fastest traders at the top. As you can see here, this trader is an average trade speed of 8 minutes. However, you can see that they're currently charging $118,000 per Bitcoin, so this probably isn't the best offer to choose. You're going to want to choose an offer like this, which is actually closer to the current Bitcoin price, and once you've found a good offer, we can go ahead and click buy. From there, we can overlook our order and make sure everything's correct, and as you can see, this supplier has 18 positive feedback and 0 negative feedback. So this seems like a good seller to go with. From there, we can click sign up to buy, and we just have to quickly create an account in order to actually buy this Bitcoin. Once you have your account made, since we chose to pay with Zelle Pay, we can actually finalize this order, and we can check out by paying with Zelle. So that's how you can buy Bitcoin with Zelle. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.